In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make announcements on Circle.so. This platform is a great way to connect with your community, and announcements can help you effectively communicate important updates. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, start by logging into your Circle.so admin account. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Spaces. This will show you all the different spaces where you can post content. Now choose the specific space where you'd like to publish your announcement. Selecting the right space ensures that your message reaches the intended audience. Next, head to the top right of the page where you'll see the Create Post button. Click on it to start drafting your announcement. You'll be prompted to enter a post title, which serves as the headline for your announcement. Be concise but clear, as this is what will grab the attention of your community members. Beneath the title, proceed to write out the main content of your announcement. Feel free to include all relevant details. Clarity is key here. Once your content is ready, it's time to set the post type. Click on Settings, then navigate to Post Type and select Announcement. Don't forget to toggle the Enable Announcement option. This step distinguishes your post as an official announcement, helping it stand out from regular posts. If you want to make it easier for members to find your announcement later, consider adding topics or tags. This step is optional, but can be very helpful. Click on Add Topics for Tags, type in the desired label, and press Enter. Tags will help categorize your post, making it much easier for members to locate related content. Next, you'll want to manage who can see this announcement. Go back into Settings and click on Access. Here, you have options. You can make the announcement visible to members only or choose specific plans if you want to restrict it further. Make sure to click Save Changes to ensure your settings are applied. Once everything's set up the way you want it, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Post to publish your announcement. Congratulations! Your announcement is now live and visible to your community. As an optional step, you might want to pin your announcement at the top of the space to increase visibility. To do this, locate your newly published post, click the three dots on the post, and select Pin to Top. This way, your announcement remains the first thing users see when they visit the space. And there you have it. You've successfully posted and even pinned an announcement on Circle. So, this method ensures your message reaches your community effectively and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and happy posting!